Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel At Rongajan Presents. Okay, this very evening I'm going to show you the biggest mela ever in this year. That's in Assam, the biggest mela in Assam. Okay, from the very beginning I'm going to show you that this is the one of the most famous restaurant. You can see this. It's called My Hang Resort in Kajironga. And along with my friends, we are going to witness or see the biggest mela in Assam here in Rongajan. Oh. You can see one of my few friends. Okay, this is the mela place. You see many people and the road are congested with trucks. Transportation vehicles are in jam. Okay, this is the entrance gate to the mela. You can see in this mela all these roadside stalls are filled with mithai, sweets. This is the pandal or the shrine, okay, the mandir where people go to worship there. Wow, we are enjoying this very tonight. You can see this. Okay. The filming is going on here. In this particular mela, both sides you can see this here. Many embroideries, utensils, and many toys are being sold here or displayed. Those who are present here this evening, those who want to play this game, you can play here. This game is called Apna Apna, Nasib Dhamaka. You can see many people are here, so congested the place.
ये प्रोग्राम को आरंभ कराएंगे ये खेल को जल्दी करेंगे जल्दी वाले जल्दी आप लोग लेना होना चाहते हैं आपका बुकिंग काउंटर चले टिकट सामने टिकट ले सकते हैं आप लोग
Cute boys and girls. Wow. Very interesting. What a teddy bear. They are 4 teddy bears. A small children are climbing there like a staircase. Okay. They are in competition. Oh wow. Oh. This is the rotating car, small car, a toy car, and some cute or tiny boy is sitting and he's like really he's she's in a very terrific thing. Whoa. In this place you can see stag and some zebras and the other wild animals or domestic animals are here for the people who come here, especially it's meant for children to enjoy here by riding. Okay, this place is called Tora Tora and you can see they are here again to drive this. You can see this. They will sit here, they will ride this. Okay, this like a toy train. Okay, you can see this. Whoa! You can see this. What a strange things you can see, but it is a toy. Okay. And you can see this is the another toy like a teddy bear. There are three here and they are enjoying here. And they are my relatives. You can see this. They are looking at me. Okay. Okay, in this Mela there are many small hotels. In this Mela, you can see like the bazaar, like fancy bazaar in Guwahati, like Vishal market, like hub in Guwahati. You can see here, okay, many all this attire, clothes, whatever you want to buy here, attire. Oh, you can see here the fixed price, 200, and here 250. The price is fixed here. And you can see here fixed price, it costs only 100 per piece of this small baby t-shirt. Oh, here available here, all these clothes are sold in fixed price. Okay, 250. You can see here in this Mela all these kitchen utensils are being sold here. You can see this. These are like
ये वाला 450 रुपया
कितना
आ रहा है
कितना एक का
450 कहाँ से आ रहा है
बोकाखात से। और ये तो एक वो एक पीस या क्या है बोलेगा वो 450 एक का इसका कीमत।
दीदी ले गए तो करे जो बढ़ रहा है कितना बोल के आता है डबल जा भी जा
Okay, now we are leaving the Mela. Okay, how much we enjoy. Okay, so see you next year. Every year here in Rongajan, this Mela every year it is being held here. Okay, see you next episode or next year. Okay, thank you very much. Hi. Bye. Good night.
আহিব ৰ